Hello everyone, King Kobe here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at 10 websites that provide free online courses with accreditations. Now, I would have to say that the best thing that you can do for yourself is investing in yourself, right? When we talk about investment, people mostly associate it with money, but money is not the only thing that you can actually invest in yourself. You can invest your time because time is money, right? Right. So if you are looking forward to scale up your knowledge or brush up your skill in a certain field, but you actually don't have the means to, the money, then this video is actually for you. What you need is time and an internet. So right away, without doing much talking, let's get into it. We are going to start with Coursera. Now, I actually discovered Coursera during the COVID-19 lockdown, where they actually joined hands with global universities and then launched 100 free courses from these leading colleges, right? And they include a variety of topics, right from health, personal development, computer science, data science, business, and a whole lot. You can actually find almost everything that you are looking for on Coursera, and it's actually one of the leading providers of massive open online courses. Some of the courses has certificate of completion to recognize that you actually passed the class. So yes, if you enjoy learning in a structured classroom style environment and want to do this at home, then Coursera is your go-to place. Next up I'm going to talk about is Alison. Alison is one way or the other like Coursera. They also provide online certified courses. They have 30 million learners, 2 million graduates, and 1,000 courses. It works more as a platform that organizes hundreds of free courses available all over the internet. Now, some of their popular course categories are IT, business, languages, health, humanities, science, marketing, lifestyle, math, design, web development, and a wide range of other courses. Certifications are also available for most of these courses. You just have to use the search bar to find out the best choices for your chosen field. Next up is the Google Digital Garage. This is actually great for those who are into digital and online marketing. Google is globally used on a daily basis, but it will marvel you that most users don't realize that Google also has a well-established course platform for online learning, and they provide all these courses completely for free, included with modules, no time limits, unlimited access, and videos. The good thing is that free certifications are also available for these courses. Now, moving on to the next one. If you're actually seeking out a career in working with Microsoft products, then Microsoft Learn is the right place to be. Yes, just like the Google Digital Garage, Microsoft also offers up their own online learning platform for those wanting to excel in their skills and job prospects. While Google's lessons cover a wider range of topics, Microsoft Learn is limited to Microsoft products, systems, and applications, and the majority of the modules and classes are actually focused on the Microsoft Azure and the Microsoft Dynamics 365, with several versions depending on whether you are a novice or a skilled user. The courses are also free, and they contain an industry recognized Microsoft certification. So after you have received your certification, you might wish to look for digital normal jobs that allow you to work while traveling. There are also complimentary classes for jobs such as administrator, AI engineer, business analyst, business user, data engineer, data scientist, developer, functional consultant, and solution architect. Now, one thing I actually realized upon gathering information or sources for this video was that almost every large internet company has their very own free online platform. So it was actually at no surprise when I realized that Facebook also has a large collection of free courses, training, and classes available to individuals who use their online site. So I'm talking about Facebook Blueprint. Now, what makes Facebook Blueprint different from the rest is that students can take any of their 400 plus micro online classes. However, instead of instantly receiving an accreditation or certificate, students will have to undertake an extensive exam to show what they've learned. There are 5 exams in total actually, each specializing in a particular area, from Facebook pixel ads, marketing, campaign management, API integration, and then technical implementations. Now, after completing some of the free online classes and passing the exam, students will receive a Facebook Blueprint certificate. This is really useful for digital companies, freelancers, and then new job seekers as well. Now, next up on my list is actually a really known website. It was actually my first time coming across this website whilst I was putting together the information for this video. The name of the website is Saylor.org by Saylor Academy. It was founded in 1999 and has helped about 100,000 students to gain employment, advance their careers, bolster their qualifications, and upskill for free. Now, whilst almost every other course provider has video class content, Saylor is laid out in a more textbook manner, and students go through each chapter and then answer a quiz to progress in the course. Now, the good thing about them is that they also supply free printable certificates upon completion of their courses. Some of the courses they offer are Arts History, Biology, Business Administration, Chemistry, Communication, Computer Science, and Economics Philosophy. So yeah, do check them out and it will be worth your time. Next on the list is the eMarketing Institute, and this is also great for digital marketers. They provide 100% free beginners level digital marketing course, free certifications, and free ebooks within the field of digital marketing. Just like Saylor, eMarketing Institute is also laid out in a more textbook manner, and students go through each chapter and then answer a quiz at the end of the course to complete the course. Students can also download the ebooks and then read offline, and then come back to take the quiz for completion. You are presented with a certificate when you pass the quiz. Some of the courses available on their website are search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, content marketing, web analytics, blogging, email marketing, search engine marketing, and social media marketing, among other online marketing courses. If you're a programmer or someone who would like to learn coding, then Free Code Camp is for you. Free Code Camp is a brilliant website for new users who would like to learn coding, and then platforms such as the HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, databases, GitHub, Node.js, React.js, and then D3.js. On top of the extensive lineup of specialties, Codecamp also have thousands of free videos, articles, and then interactive coding lessons. But this is the catch. While you are learning these new skills, right, you will also be required to code websites and software for non-profit organizations. So it's a kind of a win-win affair. Now, once users have put in hours, students can then undertake the below exam to gain their certificates and then qualifications. Now, this is easily one of the best free online courses with certificates out there. You also get work experience in responsive web design, algorithms and data structures, front-end libraries, data visualization, APIs and microservices, information security, and quality assurance in the process. The next one is for primary and then high school students, and that is the Khan Academy. Khan Academy has a strong focus on maths and science, as these curriculums can be taught across multiple languages. There's even an Android and an iOS app for learning on the go. So if you are looking to brush up your calculus, algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, or statistics, then Khan Academy is a great place to start. Unfortunately, Khan Academy doesn't provide any certifications or accreditations, The last and then the very final one is actually a well-established provider by the name Udemy. Udemy predominantly provides courses for a fee, but they also have a great range of free video courses to choose from. As an added bonus of selecting from one of their free online courses, users can also download and print a certificate of completion once done, and it's actually sent via email. Now, some of their most beloved course topics that have been taken by millions of students include Spanish language, blogging, Microsoft Dynamics 365, digital marketing, Linux, social media marketing, Excel, blockchain, PowerPoint, Python, HTML, Java, dropshipping, Premiere Pro, graphic design, mobile development, and programming. So there you have them. I believe this was very helpful to you. And what you have to do is to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And don't hesitate to share with me if you have come by any website that provides free online courses that I didn't mention. Just put it in the comment section and let's help educate ourselves. Stay safe, eat well, and make the best out of every day. My name is King Kobe, and I'll see you in the next video.